So good afternoon, ma'am. This is my final project in CFAP 121A object-oriented programming. So my final project here is online quiz. So you need to log in. So this is the dashboard of the user. So we have the users try. So here we have user and our quizzes. So uh, this is the admin's user, ma'am. So here, if you want to add, if you want to add some quiz, so and to quiz, so the description to add. So here we have, as you can see, that we have added. So here you need to add questions. So you need to add. So the question is, so here, so what does the static keyboard indicates? A, to define contents. B, to include. C, B2. So the answer is to print. So we need to add it. So here we have the added question. So ito back to the quiz. So here if you want to update it, to change update. If you want to delete it, delete it. So go, you need to log out. So as you can see the users here. So kasi this is the use users of the thing that you can take the quiz. So here we have to take we have HTML, Java, science and math. So here we have to take HTML, take quiz, start quiz. So you have some rules of the quiz. There are 10 questions. You have 15 seconds each questions. So you need to continue. What does HTML stands for? And you need to click. So next, what HTML is used to define the title of the document. And typical error is the right answer. So which the following element is used to create hyperlink that allows to navigate another web page location. So it's here. Uh, so as you can see, you completed the quiz. And sorry, you got only 1 out of 3. So you you got only one. So you need to quit the quiz. So that's all, ma'am. Thank you.